What is up? What is up? Heading out on another camping venture. Just leaving my dad's house. I'm actually camping this time. Not anywhere special. Just camping out. Kind of the same area as the first time I camped out. I don't know if y'all watched that video or not, but it's just a trailhead. Yes, sir. Yep. So that's where I'm camping out. Probably gonna be doing a lot of solo camping. I have some unfortunate news. My dog Sherman, who you guys might have seen in the other videos, he passed away this past week, and it was from congestive heart failure. And yeah, it's so unfortunate and it's so sudden that it happened. I mean, nobody expected him to do that, or to end up passing so soon. I mean, he started making, like, these gagging noises. We took him to the vet and got him checked out, and that's how we found out he had that disease. And yeah, so thankfully we found out when we did, but unfortunately it was too soon. And I mean, you guys saw he was perfectly fine when I took him to the beach, and then took him camping the first time, and he was perfectly fine. But I guess he's just too tough, and he didn't want to show it. But he got to live it up, Yeah, so things happen. I mean, I'm not gonna give y'all a sob story or anything. Just informing y'all. I might get another little sidekick in the future. But anyways, I will see y'all at the spot. So peace out. Coming up to the spot here shortly. Yes, sir. We are here. We are here. Yeah, it's just a little hunting trailhead. I spotted this out earlier, and nobody was here, so looked like a pretty decent spot, pretty safe spot. I love this view right here of this open field. I'm gonna pull up about right here, maybe. All right. Alrighty. Get up in the back here. All right. See you guys on the inside. Just gotta set these curtains up. Probably just gonna end up taking them off the what's it called, tension rods, because it's just not very effective, and they keep falling down. I mean, they stick pretty well when sitting, but once my truck gets in motion, they fall down. Gotta redo my curtains too, because the glue I used is not holding up very well, I guess. this curtain for this window right here. As you can see, I installed 3 of these little circle lights, but 2 of them fell down, so nothing wants to stick up in here, I guess. But alrighty. Yep, we made it to the spot, got everything set up. I'm gonna turn some light on here. Ooh, that's bright. Excuse me. I don't like to have it on for too long because I don't want people driving by seeing, because this window I haven't made a curtain for yet, but I'm eventually gonna. I mean, it's likely not a big deal. I just don't want to, draw too much attention. But anyways, so made some additions to the truck, to the camper. I call it the camper. Anyways, I got this cooler, $35 at Dick's Sporting Goods. Yep, $35 for this 52-gallon, and she works pretty well. Got some things in there for tomorrow. These I was gonna try tonight, but I ended up going to my dad's. It was my niece's birthday, so I'm gonna have to try these another time. Got some leftovers from going to a restaurant the other night with my mom. You guys are gonna be like, this guy's a family man. I am. Anyways, here's some eggs from my dad's chickens. And what do we got on the menu for right now? Hold up, I'm gonna put y'all back down here. Oh, this. This. If you're wondering what this is. So, since it's summertime, I got a styrofoam box. I put a little battery-powered fan in it, or it's a rechargeable fan. Open it up. Put some ice in there, and boom, Redneck air conditioner. It works pretty well. I mean, I don't have ice in it right now. It's actually pretty nice out tonight. But anyways, yeah, so I made that. Because, I know you can get portable air conditioners, little mini ones. But, I don't know. I have a friend who used one. He used a few of them, actually. And, said it didn't really work that well. So I'm like, yeah, I'm not going to risk my time on that, my money on that. I'm going to just be my redneck self and make my own air conditioner. Yee style. But anyways, so we got some Angry Orchard here for the menu tonight. It's not focusing well. I'm filming on my camera again. I know I hate filming on it. Forgot my actual camera. So yeah. Plus, I mean, I'll be honest, filming on my phone is a lot easier than filming on my actual camera. It's just easier to edit the video together and whatnot. So I mean, I don't have to sit there, wait 5 hours, literally 5 hours, for my camera to upload to my phone. I mean, there's probably faster ways of doing it, but I'm still kind of a novice to this. So yep. But anyways, so those are the 2 new main additions. Let's see what else we got. Oh, I got, of course, a battery pack for my phone. Got to charge your phone, charge your devices. Oh yeah, I got these little lights back here. As you can see, they're actually color changing. You can change them to whatever color. But I like this salmon pink color. It's pretty interesting. But yeah, so I'm gonna crack this bad boy open, and suppose I'll catch y'all in the morning. I don't know if y'all still gonna be there or not, but I'll catch y'all in the morning. Peace. Good morning, good morning. Oh, I slept pretty well. Probably say I actually got kind of like the best sleep I've had in a minute. Um, Rained a little bit around like 2 or 3 in the morning, but it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad. It's always nice to have a good sleep, especially in the back of a truck. Oh man, yeah, I'm kind of debating on if I want to make the eggs. I suppose I should, huh? Because I got them, so might as well. But anyways, yeah. So open these cuttings here. So, what's the word? Um, Not foggy, but like just so I can't think right now. There's so much condensation in here. Like I'm breathing. I cracked a window last night to try to prevent that, but I guess it don't work very well. But yep, so I suppose I'll get back with y'all whenever I figure out my food situation. I don't know if I'm gonna make food, if I'm just gonna cheat and get McDonald's. That's the issue with camping close to town. Um, is It's like you have that option, you have that option to just go get food. Whereas when I camped at that one spot on the beach, way up in the UP, I had no choice. I had to make my food there because I was miles from any town. So, but I'm gonna get back with y'all. As you can see, there's just so much condensation. That's all mud from getting here to this spot. Oh, need to get some butter on that or something. Beautiful little spot. It's kind of chilly out this morning, but that's all right. That's all right. See, this is just a local hunting spot. As you can see, Rose State Wildlife Area. It's a nice area though. Nice area. Oh, that's not good. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. No, that's still up there. I thought I ripped the whole thing off. I'm like, damn. Please, no. I know my rig is cheap, but I don't need to destroy it yet. How many of y'all are fans of Yee Yee? I don't know why I keep... Alright. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Peace out. These things, little wisp brushes, are a lifesaver. Got a date? Wanna spruce up your breath? Use one of these. Don't feel like brushing your teeth for the day? Use one of these. Just on the go, forgot to brush your teeth? Use one of these. Camping? Use one of these. These guys are the bomb. Alright, what's on the menu for today? Let's see. There's your coffee. What y'all know about that coffee? Grab me some eggaroons. That's really all I got for this morning. Just trying to pack up a bit. Packing up a little bit makes it easier when I go home. Don't gotta deal with crap. Car that just went by. Friendly neighbor. Alright. I love having views like this of just open fields, and last night it was a lot prettier when I scoped this spot out because it had a sunset. That was kind of over it, but it's a gloomy day this morning. Still a pretty view though. Alrighty, so what do we got to get out today? Let's see. I know it's all a jumbled up mess. That's what it is. I tried to organize it, but it really just made it 10 times worse. Gonna get my soap. Then let's see, garlic. Your basic stuff when you make eggs. I really just like cooking because you can mess with all sorts of different spices and seasonings and whatnot. Room. Oh, what was that? What was that? Oh, for my little lights. Not sure how well this is gonna work out. No, I tried this when I was up in the Upper Peninsula, but gotta do what you gotta do. Gotta keep your hands clean, you know. Oh boy, I need like a water spigot fountain thing. You know, I was right there on the beach. I should have just gone to the beach, washed my hands. It says it's pretty safe for that. I mean, it's biodegradable, eco-friendly soap, you know. Oh, drop y'all. Yeah. Dang. Well, don't do that. Because these things aren't eco-friendly. Oh boy. My bad. My mind is never like completely there in the morning. I'm sure y'all can relate. But yeah. Thing is, it's hardly even morning. It's gonna be 11 soon. I kind of had a late start, you know. Alrighty. Gonna get my stoveroon out. Try to make room for it. Here she is. Oh, excuse me. Get my pan. I'm gonna take this back there. He needs instructions anyways. Just figure it out. Learn by mistakes, you know. You gotta wash the spatula. I just bought it. See, you would think I'd have my propane with the stove, but I have it up in here with all my random shit. random stuff. I'll have to put this video is not made for kids on YouTube thing. Because I said a bad word. Didn't mean to. Bad, y'all. I'm a good boy. But yep, I'm gonna get this all set up. It's funny. Just like people viewing from the outside, they might think like I'm homeless or something. And like that is kind of like one of my biggest worries. I really don't want people thinking I'm homeless and calling the cops on me or something, I mean, I see other people do it on YouTube. I figure people would have a little bit of a understanding about it these days, but I guess not. Or I mean, I can't say I guess not because I haven't had anyone think I'm homeless yet. I have had people give me looks though, that's for sure. I don't know if that happens to any of y'all, if you guys truck camp or anything like that. But yeah. Like when I was down when I went to that drive-in in Coldwater, Michigan, and then I went to Ohio and Indiana and all that. Well, my last trip, I should just say that. But anyways, yeah, I went to a beach in Indiana, and I was just chilling in my truck, and this old lady comes out with, I'm assuming, her grandchild or something. She just literally just looking, staring at my truck for 3-4 minutes straight, just staring, just looking, and I'm just looking at her, and I kind of smiled or whatever, nodded my head, and yeah, she just walked away. She just had this most stern look on her face, just I don't know, man. It's weird. I mean, I get it though. It is a weird sight to see. You don't see people just chilling in their trucks most of the time. But it's still worth it though. It's all in the experience and in the adventure. Okay, I think that's clean. I don't know if y'all can tell me if that's clean or not, but we gonna see. Dang. Ready, Ricky? I don't know if y'all, I'm gonna show you. Y'all ever had fresh eggs? I don't know how well it's showing up on the cam. Fresh eggs, everybody. Fresh eggs. Yeah, these are for my dad's chickens. He raises chickens. We're a bunch of country folk. No. Anyways, yeah, so these are from his chickens. I always get nervous cracking eggs. I've definitely gotten shells in my eggs before, and I do not like it. Not gonna make that many this time, but not being the most sanitary at the moment, but I wipe all my stuff down once I'm done. So don't worry, y'all, don't worry. And no, I don't have my stove on yet, so again, don't worry. Got some Himalaya salt up in there. I apologize, my nose has been pretty runny this morning. I've been told before that my eggs, they look like they've been rolled in dirt. So, just letting y'all know how much Pepper I put in there. Salt, pepper, garlic. Whole 9 yards. Woo, almost lost my eggs. Dang. They're still good though. This guy's a blue guy. Suppose I'll make him. Come on. That up low. I don't want to burn my eggs. Oh yeah, that guy's cooking up real nice. Real nice. So, I'll give y'all a reason why I drink this stuff. It's because, for one thing, it's good. And for another thing, I used to travel a lot. Well, I mean, I still do, obviously, but for a minute I was traveling back and forth between Michigan and Ohio. I'll tell that story another time, but these things, they would always help me out. And I don't really handle caffeine that well, so with these having low caffeine, it helps me greatly. So I suppose I should have done this a different way. Also, probably shouldn't be using a metal spatula because I feel like I'm destroying my pan. But I wanted a metal one because the plastic ones, they just seem to melt so fast, you know? Should probably get a top for it too, huh? See, another thing is I used to put cheese in my eggs too. I know a lot of people like that. And only thing with me is, see, I swear, like I'm like becoming an old man. I'm only 23 years old. But like cheese and dairy, anything dairy, like if I have too much of it, it definitely hurts my stomach. Or can hurt my stomach, I should say. It's a better way of putting it. Another thing with cooking eggs, I always worry that I'm not cooking it right, or not cooking it long enough, so like I end up burning them. That's true about anything that I cook, though. Just being honest. Oh, the lady just ran by. I forgot I'm not way up north. I have a feeling these are probably cooked, but you know, I'm just gonna burn them. No. Just some more seasoning on there. They don't look like they're rolled in dirt yet. Yes sir, yes sir. Looking good, looking good. Just trying to get that to be a little more graceful, but didn't quite work out that way. Not too bad. Not too bad. It's kind of awkward now because there's a guy that came. He went walking on the trail, but yeah, it's kind of awkward now. But yeah, these eggs, they're not too bad. Not gonna lie, I am kind of worried because my spatula destroyed my pan. Well, didn't destroy it, but it's all scratched up. Hope that Teflon's not in my food. So, hear bad things about that. But yep. Not bad. Oh boy. I'm gonna start cleaning up and heading home. Gotta get some napkins too. I ran out of paper towel. Well, looks like I'm almost out of napkins. But yep, I'm gonna also reorganize this because everything in here got all jumbled up. So I gotta reorganize it a little bit of a better way. So yep. Alrighty, got everything organized and ready to head back home. Figured I might as well do a little tour real fast. I know I try to do a tour every single video. I never do it. I never give a full actual tour. So I guess this will be it. So yeah, I mean, I showed you guys last night my cooler. There's that. My little AC unit I made. That little blue that blue bin right there, fabric bin. That's I got that for shoes, to like put shoes in, but it's a little bit too small. But yeah, so I got my bed right here. So this is a 2010 Colorado, in case you guys were wondering. I'd say this is about the width of a twin bed. I know it's hard to tell, but yeah, it's about the width of a twin bed. The length of a love seat. because it's a 5-foot bed. So yeah, I'm 5'2", so it works out perfectly for me. But anyways, so under here I just have some storage. It's there's a battery, gotta get that. Oh, yep. So anyways, I got storage under here. Some storage, I mean. It's my little brush and then some cardboard, because before I made these curtains I put cardboard up. So let's see, I got my toolbox right here, just a little toolbox, but it's got pretty much everything a guy could ask for. Yep. And then as you can tell, I put some little lights up in there. The battery that was from was those lights, because when I first installed them, I would drive and they would fall out. So, but multicolor changing. Got them from a store called FYE in a mall. It's a pretty interesting store. Anyways, back here, so got my little dresser drawer thingy. This is just, fluid. Got a tarp. This is for winter time. I just have it in here because I don't have any place to put it. That is Goodwill clothes that I'll take. But, in here I got a little broom and dustpan, and then notebooks and whatever random stuff. So starting with the top drawer, I have kind of just random stuff in here. I got chargers and gloves and just random stuff, kind of like a drunk drawer. The middle one is my kitchen supplies. Got all my seasonings, got plates and everything under the sun. I could literally live in my truck if I wanted to. And then I got, this is like kind of a toiletry section. This is barbecue sauce. I just didn't have room in the kitchen section, so put it in there. It's not opened yet, so it's hopefully not going to go bad. Yep, this is kitchen stuff. I got all sorts of stuff in here. I got disinfectant wipes. I got these things for hot days when you walk in. Some more toothbrushes. I got mosquito spray, pet thing, another mosquito spray, trash bags. I have these tissues on the go. And then under here, these are actually, I think they're Mylar bags, but yeah, those are for, I'll show you over here. They're Mylar potty bags for such a beautiful area, that's for sure. Anyways, they are for this to-go toilet. I have not used it yet, and I have no clue how to use it. I mean, I know how to use the toilet, but like, you know what I mean. But these are just dirty work clothes. And here's my stove and pan and everything in that regard. And under here is pretty much my truck stuff / more junk stuff. See, there's a tennis. I have tennis rackets in here because never know when you're gonna play a spontaneous game of tennis. But yep, I will admit, I'm also, see this right here, it's a FedEx box. Yeah, I'm in the process, or I was in the process of moving. Hang on, I'm gonna flip the cam. But I was in the process of moving. Not to give you guys another sob story, but yeah, so I was living with my girlfriend at the time, and things didn't quite work out. So you know, I'm staying with some family now, and that box, that cardboard box back there, I got that. I got that at my place. I had a place of my own for about a year and a half. Anyways, yeah, I had a place of my own, and yeah, so I received that box. It was from the last people who lived there, and I completely forgot to take it back to FedEx. Or yeah, no, it's FedEx that's got to go to, and that was well over a year ago. So yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna have to deal with that. That's a my own thing. But anyways, so yeah, there's a little tour of my truck, and yeah, I will see you guys back at the pad. So to give you guys a little more context, I should probably explain a little more on that story I was telling. So I'm just seeing some more spots. But anyways, so let me see, where do I start? So about 4 years ago, I had moved to Ohio, and I lived there for about 3 years. That was also for a girl that I was dating at the time. We had met over Xbox like 7 years ago, and yeah, like I guess we met in person. Things kicked off pretty well, and decided to move, and ultimately things didn't work out, so came back to Michigan. I got a place of my own. I lived there for about a few, or I apologize, I'm trying to see this track. Anyways, I lived in my own place for about a year and a half, and then I met another girl, and we dated for a few months, about 6 or 7 months, and then we decided to move in together. And we lived together for about 4 months, and things didn't work out. So I'm back with family, and just trying to live it up, just live it up, travel, and see as much as I can, do as much as I can. So life has a funny way of working and doing things, and God definitely has a funny way of working and doing things, that's for sure. But yeah, it is what it is, and you just live and you learn. That's all there is to it. But yeah, so I just figured I would give some clarification on that story I was telling earlier. So anyways, I am heading back home, and I suppose I'll see y'all there. Peace out. Alrighty, well, we made it home. I'll be honest, I have been home for a while, actually. I am terrible at these outros with these videos, man. But yep, made it back home. Went in, and my aunt, who I'm staying with, she made some. It's like a late breakfast, because it was about. It's about like 12:30, 1 o'clock that she made it, so I guess a brunch, if you want to call it that. But yeah, she made some brunch and chowed down. I made the rest of the eggs that I had from my dad, so that was pretty good. That was pretty good. But now I am going to take my girl to give her a bath, my truck, and yeah, I guess thanks for watching, and till next time, y'all. Peace out.